Items shown here will vary from collectibles to railroad memorabilia, virtually anything that strikes my fancy. What's on the table today? We have a special for you today. It's a homemade GoPro clamp. Take one of these plastic clamps like you glue wood projects together with it. You can buy them at any home supply store. I bought this one at Walmart for 97 cents. Your GoPro came with two clips, a flat one and a curved one. Take this curved one and glue it right on this clamp, and you have a Jim Dandy little homemade GoPro clamp for 97 cents, virtually nothing. They make a similar clamp sold among the GoPro accessories for $45. I think I like my price a little better. Good morning, YouTubers. Today we're experimenting with my new GoPro homemade bracket. Took this clamp I bought for 97 cents at Walmart's tool department. Put my little curved clip on there, it fit pretty good. I just used the utility knife to cut out some of the plastic stuff off the glue so I wouldn't have this part exposed with raw glue on it. But we're going to try it out today on various places. That's one way that I can use it. See how it works. It definitely clamps good on that. See what other ways it fits. Right here I've got it attached to my tripod. Talking about various ways to use this homemade clamp. I got my hands full doing other things here, making my video, feeding the birds. I got my clips hung on my shirt here for lack of a better place to put them while I do my other stuff. Dropped my camera a while ago between hurt it on this grass. I hope that's in the video. Let's move over and try some more ways to clamp it. So there's more than one way to skin a cat. $97 clips are going to work out pretty good. We get a bird's eye view, so to speak, of our bird's den. Put it right in his face while he's eating. Not going to stay out here too much longer. Let's go up here and see what the temperature is. Walter's ears are getting cold. Anyway, the point I was trying to make, unlimited potential of places you can install your GoPro instantly. Temperature right here this morning is 39 degrees. Wind blowing, feels like 0. Walter's going back in the house.